Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I have another sticker haul from a couple of my friends, Saia at Saia Planning and Melanie and the team at Orange Umbrella Co. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so lots of kits and goodies to kind of get me through June and into the summer. I'm going to start with Saia Planning, so I'm going to go ahead and put these Orange Umbrella Co. goodies to the side. Oh my gosh. So Saia and I live in the same city, or we live not far from each other, probably about 15-20 minutes away from each other. So whenever I place an order, we of course get together. So she hand delivers my sticker kits to me. We meet at a Starbucks and we sit and we chat, all things planner, family, friends, and all of that. It's so much fun. So let me show you what I have here. I'm going to start with this little packet here. Aren't her stickers cute? And that's her little dog. Well, not little. Maya's a big dog. She's a big German Shepherd, but her dog's a sweetie. So let's see. I have a little freebie here with meal plans, some times, bill stickers, and then some weather icons. I like that they're square and they're bright and colorful. That's really cute. Okay, so what Saia has done is she has gone in and she has kind of put together sets of, or full sets of the Clean Mama scripts. So I'm going to just kind of, let me see if I can, yeah, here we go. So you can buy them individually or you can buy them, let me just move these to the side, as a set. So what I did was I just bought the whole set so that you can take a look at it and so I could share it with you. So the first one, I'm going to do the daily tasks. So these are headers, daily tasks. And the daily tasks are make bed, wipe counters, check floors, declutter or tidy, and then laundry. So do a load of laundry every day. So that's the set of dailies. And I bought, like I said, I bought the whole set. It's all bundled. And so I think Saia said when you buy the complete bundle, you get basically one of these sheets for free. Okay, so then here's the weekly tasks header. And the weekly tasks are bathrooms, dust, vacuum, mop, sheets, and towels. And these are sized, you can tell they're just a tad bit smaller, so they'll fit nicely in that plum paper monthly cleaning page. So that is the full bundle of Clean Mama weekly tasks and daily tasks. So very sweet. So I'm going to give those a try for next month. Okay, so we'll put those to the side. And then I purchased for June, her June kit. I thought this was so cute. I just love this little print. So we have here the headers for the top of the page. We've got date dots, some budget stickers, and then just some functional stickers, a couple with a little stitch here, a couple of scripts, and then just some little icons here, fun little icons. And then I ordered an extra page of labels here. Next month, appointment, birthday, to go, her little doodle of happy mail. This is cute, like a little highlighter pen mark. So that's June. And she didn't have the highlights page for this kit put together on her shop yet, but I know that she does for others. So that's my June kit for my plum paper. And then I did do a couple of customs. So in my social media planner, I had her do a custom that said weekly kits. And then for the monthlies, for some reason I had her do this month. And I'm like, why didn't I just get something that said monthly kits? So I went back and ordered a custom that says monthly kits. So I'll use that in my social media. I've already used some from this sheet, Otis's Meds, because I ran out of those. I love this. And then she has new to her shop time stickers. And so I bought a full sheet of these, and these are in 15-minute increments, and you get 2 of each going across this way. And then I think it starts, yeah, it's 2 full sets with 2 of each of the times. Does that make sense, friends? And I already pulled one off because I had to use it. Okay, so that's that. And then she also gave me this fun special freebie because I liked that print so much. She's been working on some of the formatting for her weekly kit. So this is a weekly kit. I've got a weekend banner, some date dots here, some functional things. She's got another page with check boxes, which these are awesome. I love these. And then more scripts. This is her page of functional boxes, half and quarter boxes. And then she did this page of washi. I liked this wide washi here. So it's kind of like wide, medium, and then a narrow one. And the reason why their size is specifically for plum paper planner, so you don't have to trim, which is convenient. Isn't that nice? So we were talking a lot about how she would format this page. Should she put everything kind of aligned to the top and then have some space for some little icons and that kind of thing? It's so much fun sitting and talking with her and like just hearing her ideas for her shop, and then she'll ask me my opinion, which is really fun. So that's really cute. I love that washi. And then here is the date headers, more functional, some more washi here, a full box, some icons. And then this was another version of washi. So kind of like a deluxe washi page and then sort of like a more minimal washi page. But if you notice this one, she did all the washi the same length. And we were kind of talking about the difference between the two and the pros and the cons and how should she do it. So obviously if I used this washi, I would have to trim it for the page that has the fewer columns. So just fun things that we talked about, and we'll see what she works out for her shop. I love these big boxes though for the dates. It's unique. I don't know of other shops doing it this way. So I thought, it's always fun when you see that, it's from Saia Planning. Okay, so that's it from Saia Planning. Let's go ahead and start taking a look at what I have from Orange Umbrella Co. So this one, let's see, let's start with the freebies, because we always get lots of cute freebies. I love this already, I know, with this rainbow and this cute like candy pop colors. Sushi, I think I got one of these last time. I love the sushi. Some cute little half boxes, quarter boxes, and habits. I love that font, so cute. And then just to remind you friends, I am part of the Orange Umbrella Co. PR team, and if you use my code Christy, it's just my first name, C-R-I-S-T-I, you'll get 20% off your order and you'll receive my custom freebie. So I've got Progress Over Perfection, Make Today Awesome, two of my favorite quotes. I've got Spaz doing some housework. I've got a paw here for Otis, and of course, soccer, basketball, and my walking shoe. So that's my custom freebie. So let's take a look at what I have. So this is kit 155. It's called Flamingos, and I just kind of ordered a lot of things. So I loved this full box here of this guy. Isn't he so cool? And then of course I'll have the matching habit tracker here for my habits. You get an ombre box and then sort of like a daily tracker. I did get some appointment labels. Beautiful colors. I love the teal green, bright pinks. I did get the deco because I thought these two were so cute, and the flamingo on the bike. We have a big flamingo exhibit at our zoo, so flamingos are kind of near and dear to our heart. I've got the plum date headers, full boxes. This guy's kind of cool, having an ice cream. Fun, a little geometrics mixed in, a little floral there. And then I did get the washi. How cute are they? They're so silly. I think this is really a fun kit. Okay, so that one was called Flamingos. And then I did get kit 145, and this is for Father's Day. It's called Father's Day. Again, I got the sidebar. I like the #1 dad there, and I like the matching habit tracker. I got some ombre check boxes. I probably will cut these in half and use them as my checklists for each day. I got the date headers for plum. Really pretty, deep turquoise there. And then I got the mini kit. So this is sheet 2, which has another full box, lots of functional and decorative boxes, 2 strips of washi. This is, if you can see this, it's got like a baseball cap, some books, a beer, and a watch. So that's that. And then this is sheet 1, so it has the weekend banner, some more functional boxes, and the scripts, a couple of little icons, and then more washi. So that #1 dad all the way across. And then this one's coffee. Scott's a big coffee drinker. He makes like his little handcrafted coffees in the morning, grinds his beans. Every time he makes a cup of coffee, he does not pre-grind beans. He says they should be ground when you're going to brew the coffee. I don't know. I don't drink coffee at all, but he's quite the aficionado. Okay, so this is kit 151. It's called Summer Days. I love this kit. So what I did here was I got the check boxes because I wanted to try these out. I thought they were really cute, and I like that they're kind of colorful, like not just the same color for each day, but you get the different colors for every day. I got the scalloped doodle boxes because I just think these are adorable. They're fun for when you have fun events going on. Plum date headers again. Full boxes. Loved this pattern here. The stripes always get me. Kind of like a tropical vibe going on. Really, really cute for summer. And then again, mini kit sheet 2. Look at the washi here. I love this. Isn't that pretty? Lots of appointment labels, functional and decorative boxes. I still don't know how to use these, friends. Let me know how you use these little guys here. And then sheet 1 has more washi. So fun. And the script. So these are formatted with all black in the script. I think there was some comments that when they were the mixed color that some of the colors came out a little light because the script is so thin. So she went to doing them in all black, which is fine, looks great. Another weekend banner here. So that's summer days. All right, let me take a second to bring everything back into the picture. Alrighty, friends, so I've got quite the haul here. Don't forget, with Orange Umbrella Co., you can use my discount code Christy for 20% off your order. And we've got new Clean Mama scripts from our friend Saia at Saia Planning. So I think that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.